the city, I broke all the notch. Got some more millions, I keep me a knot. I created history, it made me a lot. He tried to diss me and it on Fox. We call them Chaucer cause they gonna chop. Took down and stay high. Put me some syrup in the can that's dry. Riding a special like Bunny and Clyde. Don't worry, baby, I keep me some fire. Shenanigans and Birkin, she cannot decide. The ladies Mercedes, here goes the surprise. Don't sleep on Miss Lock.
Get money, get, bring them in, say this. I don't wanna put it in the back. I just passed it to the door like what it's about. I took the Billy cool back, then I hopped in the car. I put this bitch in front of the Billy in front of the driver. And man, this shit that is weed, he can't smoke in the road, right? Wow, wow. I'm stepped up and cut up, I'm drinking, I shoot off the tires, huh?
Yo, what do you think?
What? Buddy? Slush compound inaction.
Let's get it, buddy. Let's get it, buddy.
There's a patience thing. These corners, it's real slick. You can see the right side. You gotta watch out there.
And stuff. Like this is real slower speed, so it's cool just to kick back, relax, get a feel.
That they would like it, or yeah, I don't think they would look at that. They didn't get a chance to hammer it with the water, which is probably a good thing for this first 450 acre.
Similar conditions to what they had yesterday during press. Not exactly the same, but similar. Let's talk about that.
I didn't know the beer first.
Bring it down.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Fuck that. Keep going.
Yo, you getting the shots today or what? Yeah.
Oh boy. Right on. See on the gate right there, the 450s lining up for a gate drop, their second and final qualifying round. Let's look at some of the top riders on the gate. See right now, first he's got to get through a second qualifying session. There's the gate drop, the 21 Hungry out front.
Doesn't look like he knows anything that he's doing. Looks very lost. Just completely confused. Doesn't even know how to put the bike on the stand. Now kicking it.
Big old dog Man, this could be the start of a magical.
What, we gotta say anything?
I say, fuck it, we're out here. Gillette. Where they at?
Alex Maurice, Mark and Owen, round up your top 10. We'll be back to hear from the podium.
Strategy AMA Supercross Championship 250 East, #1 place. Congratulations.
I got so many feelings, I might can't never go to Canada. But Drake said he gon' put some screens, so let me check my calendar. I just popped me one of them whatchamacallits and it boosted my stamina. Now I'm on the banister, guess I just East Atlanta. Man, I already dropped Tarantula. Challenger, me ain't got no manners, bruh. What's the manners? I keep throwing rubber bandits up. Pull your panties up, cause you like a granny. You're just an amateur. Tifa Lee gon' make this cricket, just try throw the book at me. Y'all look like $500,000 worth of. She look at me, but you ain't gotta with me, my. But you stuck with me. But how you call the cops on me, my? You grew up with me.
I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk, but I'm both right now. Got me talking about my life. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk, but I'm both right now. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk, but I'm both right now, and I need you in my life. I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk, but I'm both right now. Yeah, I'm both.